So the first spot that we are going to see today is Jeju. This is a beautiful natural attraction in Jeju Island, located near the Jangmun beach. Jeju is actually a cliff that was formed when the Halasan mountain erupted into the Jangmun Sea, resulting in hexagonal columns along the coast. The cliff runs for around 2 km along the coast, and it shows you the baffling work of nature. This spot is famous among tourists and locals. This next spot that we're going to see today is also a spot that was formed by a volcano. Songsan Ilchilpung, the Sunrise Peak. This was formed about 5,000 years ago as a result of a hydrovolcanic eruption into the shallow seabed. People also say that this peak resembles a giant fortress. This is another sought-after tourist attraction in Jeju. Although it's called as the Sunrise Peak, it isn't open before the sunrise, so the best time is to visit it during the sunset. The next spot that we're going to see today is the Jeju Stone Park. The theme behind this park is based on the legend of Solmunde Halmang, the mythological grandmother of Jeju who created the Jeju Island, and the stone of Obek Jangun General. This park preserves the history, mythology, and the spirit of Jeju. The astonishing part is that the creator of this park designed the park in such a way that a person would enter through the ear of Solmunde, progressing through the body and exiting at the feet of Solmunde. And I'm pretty sure that wandering through this park would take you on a mythological journey. So the next location we are going to see is called as the Pond of God, the Chondano Waterfall. It has 3 tiers, meaning it has 3 waterfalls. So for the first cascade, the cliff is 22 meters high and the water falls into the Chondano Pond. From there, it moves on to the second and the third cascade and eventually reaches the ocean. According to the Korean legend, the 7 nymphs from the heaven would come to this waterfall to take a bath during the night. This mythology has also been inscribed as a painting in the Chonjeru Pavilion. If you love escaping into nature, you don't want to miss this next spot. This forest trail is one of Jeju's top 31 attractions. This trail is most popular for healing and meditation. If you're going to walk, it's going to take around 3 hours from one end of the trail to the other. So if you don't want to exert a lot of energy but do want to enjoy this trail, I'd say you can use a car to get through this trail. Forest here consists mostly of Japanese cedar trees, but as you progress through the trail, you can also see different species of plants such as Japanese oak, redleaf hornbeam, Japanese snowbell, and so on. This trail is also one of the most famous forest walking trails of Jeju, and it's also designated as a biosphere reserve. This trail is famous among hikers who want to have a healing walk while connecting with nature. And if you really want to experience a calm and peaceful time, I'd recommend you to go on this trail. So the next location we are going to see is called Situated in the southwest of Jeju is this 20-acre floral park. This arboretum is the home for 6,000 camellia trees of 500 species. Although camellias bloom full in winter, going to this garden during any season is still going to be worth your time because the garden is designed in such a way that it highlights different flower zones during different seasons. If you're visiting this place during spring or summer, you can see a dominance of vibrant tulips, fresh cherry blossoms, and a wide variety of hydrangeas. But the final one is actually a man-made attraction, the Art Museum. This is by far the largest immersive art exhibition in Korea. This exhibition houses 10 digitally projected light and sound media, which is based on the theme Valley. It reflects the characteristics of Gangwon-do, Ganung, and the Baekwon mountain range. In this immersive media, you actually get to hear sensuous sounds, fragrances from each zone, and amazing visual art, which is going to provide a complete stimulation to your senses. And that would be the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you next time.